I'm afraid that I'll be judged when I speak in English and make some grammatical mistakes. Do you think that you fall in this category? If yes, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Namita. Welcome back to my channel where you can become skillful, fluent and confident not just in English but in your entire life. So today we are talking about the fear of speaking in English, which most of the people have. I think most of you who are watching this video do have this fear. You're afraid of being judged by people. Then you go out and speak in public because you're not very confident about your English skills. So you think if you make some grammatical mistakes in front of people, they are going to judge you. Yes, they are going to judge you. But if you speak very well in English, if you are so confident that you can speak so well, you can speak impeccably well in English, then do you think they are going to spare you? If someone has a judgmental mindset, they are going to judge you anyway. Correct me if I'm wrong. Isn't it so? People, society in general are judgmental. So they are going to judge us any which way. English is not the only criteria. If your English is perfectly well, then also they are going to judge you on the basis of something else, your family background, the car that you own, the home that you live in, or your education qualification, anything, the job, the position. They are going to have numerous things. So society being judgmental is something which is not our problem. We should not even think about it, that people are going to judge us. Arey, what are we going to do if I make a mistake? Make mistakes? We learn from our mistakes. I mean, is it that we are going to be perfect in all the spheres of our life? If I'm speaking very fluent English, do you think I'm not fearful of going out to people and they won't judge me? They will find one or the other way to judge me. So this is how you have to work on your fear. The society being judgmental is not our problem. It is their problem. The person who is judging you, it's his or her problem. Who is being judgmental? It is not your problem. Please take it out of your mind. Let people judge because they are going to judge you anyway. Now you have to overcome this fear of speaking in English publicly. Because this is what we have to do. This is what life is all about. We all have a lot of fears, but we have to overcome a fear. We have to make mistakes. We make mistakes everywhere. When we start to learn driving, don't we make a lot of mistakes? Females are being judged a lot about driving. Oh my God, a female is driving. This is what is going to happen. And we do make mistakes. But does this stop us from taking our car out and drive confidently? It is the same. If you don't speak because you are scared, because you have the fear or you're afraid of speaking it in publicly for being judged, you have to overcome this fear of yours. You have to make mistakes and then learn from the similar mistakes, because life is not just this. See, English is just a language. English is nothing more than a language. And tell yourself that it is not your mother tongue. So you don't need to be afraid of it. It is not your mother tongue. You speak in your mother tongue so well. Pat yourself on your back. Yes, I can speak some other language so fluently. It is just a language. It is not a measure of intelligence. I'm sure you've read it written everywhere. So many places there are such quotations written that English is just a language and it is not a measure of intelligence. There are some people who speak so well in Hindi. I think Hindi is in fact more of a difficult language. If you ask me, Hindi has such a difficult pronunciation which sounds very good. Some people from some particular state speak so well in Hindi. I mean, I'm daunted by them. I can never speak Hindi like them. So it is just a language. It is not a measure of your entire life. There is some other area where you are doing something so well, much better than a lot of people. So be confident about what you're good at and keep improving the other skill that you want to improve. Be it your English, be it your driving, be it learning computers, whatever. You have to keep improving and be confident about the things that you're good at. English is just one part of it. It is not your whole life. How can English language be the whole life? It is not the whole life. You just have to remove the fear. You just have to not think about it. So it is just a language. Don't consider it to be the measure for everything. You have to improve. You have to leave that scope for improvement and keep improving, of course. And don't let the feeling of English being everything make you fearful, make you stop from making mistakes. See, we are not perfect beings. We are going to make mistakes any which ways, and mistakes only let us improve. So let's just keep making mistakes, be it grammatical, be it pronunciation wise. And if you're ready to improve, you are going to improve. I mean, tell me, what have we not learned? A child who is born learns to walk after 1 year, or sometimes by the age he or she is 1 year. They learn to walk, then run, then sit and stand on their own. Then a lot of things. They go to school. They know that, oh, there is something called studies, the ABC and 1, 2, 3. Don't they learn all of it? So it is just a language. We can also learn it. Let's not make it a big taboo that, oh my God, English is everything. No, it is not everything. If you can speak in English, and if you are trying hard to work on the improvement part, you are going to be fluent very soon. Take my word, you are going to be fluent very soon. And that is my promise to you, that if you commit yourself that you are going to work on it and you are going to be fluent, then you are going to be fluent. Nothing is impossible. Have that faith. Faith can move mountains. Faith involves a lot of efforts as well. So you have to keep putting in efforts, keep learning, keep making mistakes, and keep the society part aside. Let people judge, let them judge. We are not bothered. We don't worry about what people think of us. So leave that judgmental society aside. Let people judge you. We don't care. They are going to judge us anyway. You know what? That if you have decided to do something, it is going to come true for you. If you have decided that you have to become fluent in English, it is going to come true for you. Start the practicing tomorrow. Keep working on the skills that I keep telling you all the times, that you have to read, you have to practice in front of mirror, you have to read aloud, you have to speak the whole sentence, and your ears should get to hear it. So keep working on all the skills. I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, keep loving yourself, keep improving all the areas where you think you need improvement, and that's all. Bye-bye.